So, you have been seeing some dope drone shots. All the shots were taken according to local regulations here in Germany. Which regulations do apply in Germany about flying a drone? Let's find it out. I like to break it down around 3 principles. First one is safety. Second one is privacy. And third one is nature. Now, when it comes to safety, obviously you are not allowed to fly, to take off, to go over, or do anything around airports. That absolutely not allowed. Verboten, as they say here. They will find you and they will fine you. So don't do that. Additionally, take into consideration that even hospitals normally have some small helipads where helicopter can land and take off. So again, don't fly nearby hospitals. Same applies for federal prisons, local railroads and stuff like that. Second principle is privacy. And privacy is very important in Germany. Because of that, you are not allowed to fly over residential areas. That's because on top of residential areas, you might be able to snap pictures of your neighbors that they don't want you to take. So, don't fly over residential areas. This means in big city, you are basically allowed to fly only in parks, but take into consideration that you are also not allowed to fly over big crowds. So yes, go out in a park and fly, but take a day where there are not a lot of people around. And third thing is nature. Nature is also very important in Germany. You will be surprised how many natural parks, how many natural reserves there are here in Germany, and you are not allowed to fly there. That's because in these parks you cannot bring any vehicles, be a bike, be a scooter, be a car. You cannot bring vehicles here, and this includes drones as well. Speaking about vehicles, yes, drones are considered basically vehicles in Germany, which means if you want to fly a drone, you need to get an insurance for your drone. Now, for drones below 250 grams, sometimes your own private fleet will cover the drone for any third-party liability, but you have to check this with your insurance provider. If not, you have to take a separate insurance for your drone. You can also have some of them subscribed directly online. Additionally, if the drone weighs more than 250 grams, 2 things apply. First thing, you have to get a license plate. And second thing, starting from July, you will need to pass an online exam in order to steer your drone in the air. Just like a vehicle, think about it like that. It's like having a scooter, so you need an insurance, you need a license plate, and you need a license. And finally, the rule of the air. Whenever you fly your drone, you have to keep line of sight with your drone. You have to see where your drone is. This is mandatory by the law, but it's also very important for the safety of your drone, because you want to see with your eye if your drone is getting nearby obstacles, and this is sometimes not possible to see from the camera feed from your drone. There is an exception. If you fly FPV, then you are allowed to fly beyond line of sight. Because you're wearing goggles, you will not see your drone anyhow, but at that point you cannot fly above 30 meters. Speaking of altitude, in general, you should not go above 100 meters, also because above that quota you will not see your drone anymore. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something useful. Remember to check local regulations first. This is just an overview of the most important ones. As always, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave me a like, leave me a comment, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.